Hey guys, welcome back to the D&N Medical Series. It's your girl Nikki, and if you're not yet a subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn our post notification on so you can get an update every time we have a new release. So what are we talking about today? Today we'll be talking about how to insert a tampon. So what exactly is a tampon? So these are basically used for a menstrual flow to absorb the blood during the days of your period. So much like sanitary pads, they're a blend of rayon material and cotton that collect any blood and fluid flowing out of the vagina. It's also important to note that tampons should only be used for blood and not for vaginal discharge. You have different types of tampons. You have light, you have regular or normal, you have super, and you have super plus, which are the ones that you use for the heaviest days of bleeding. So why use a tampons? Well, tampons are small and pocket size. So by controlling the blood as it leaves the vagina, it's tend to be more comfortable than wearing pads in your underwear for some girls. It's also more convenient when girls are going swimming during their periods. So once you feel more comfortable using a tampon, go for it. And you can alternate between using a tampon and a sanitary napkin whenever you like. So how do we insert a tampon? So before I tell you how to insert a tampon, I'm going to show you this diagram to just show you the labeling of what a tampon looks like. So this is how it looks. So here inside here we have the tampon, then we have the contour tip, the tip there, and this big part here is the barrel. We also have the non-slip or the grip right there. We have the string and we have the plunger. So that's how a tampon looks. Now let's jump to the insertion. So in inserting a tampon for the first time, you can be very intimidated. So be sure to just wash your hands and try to be as relaxed as you possibly can so it's easier for you to slide in. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit on the toilet with your feet apart. You're going to hold the tampon in one hand with the grip. Remember the grip that I show you, which is the middle part of the tampon. You're going to hold that part in between your thumb and your middle finger. And then you're going to keep your index finger on the end of the thinner tube where the cord extends. Remember that part I told you, the plunger end where the cord extends? You're going to hold your index finger there. Then now you're going to use the tip of the tampon. Using that part, you're going to open the skin on your vagina and slide the entire barrel inside, angling it towards your back. So the tampon won't go in smoothly and may be painful if you insert it straight up and in. So you have to angle it towards your back. So you're going to insert it as far as your middle finger and thumb at the grip or the middle of the applicator there that I told you about. So once the barrel is comfortably inside, you're going to hold the grip and push with your index finger on the smaller end to push the absorbent part of the tampon into the vagina. So you're going to push this until it meets the grip and your other fingers. So you're basically pushing the plunger up to release the tampon inside. So using your thumb and middle finger, you're going to pull out the barrel of the tampon, leaving the string to hang out. So we don't want the barrel to stay up there. We're going to pull out the barrel and then we're going to leave the string to hang out. Do not pull the string. The tampon is inside and it's attached to the string. So if you pull the string, you're pulling it out. So you will use this to remove the tampon. That's the string that I'm talking about. Do not pull it. So what you're going to do after that is that you're going to place the applicator back inside the plastic when you're finished. Wrap it in a piece of toilet paper and just dispose of it properly. So when do you remove your tampon? So removing your tampon, you should remove or change your tampon every 4 to 6 hours to avoid leakage, as well as something we call the toxic shock syndrome, which can be a potentially fatal bacterial infection that we don't want. So when you're removing your tampon, you just sit over the toilet again and carefully grab the string that we left out with 2 fingers and gently pulling it out at the same angle that you inserted it in. So you may not be able to remove it if you're tense, so you just have to relax and pull slowly and steadily. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment sections below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the D&N Medical series for lots more interesting content. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.